Take 101. Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Char and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge question number 28, set matrix 0. Well, in this question, you have given the m cross n matrix with random zeros and you need to make row and column of that zero is equals to 0. Means you can see in this picture. Well, I have already submitted this code. This is a small code written. Actually twice, actually not twice, thrice, but you really need to see these two summations because both of these two summations contains the same code, but the only difference is about data structure. Why? See, in this code you have 2 millisecond time complexity and the data structure is I have used set. All this code is exactly same. The only difference is I have used set and at the end I have iterated set to do the deed. Whereas in this, like after one day I actually have seen, now this is 0 millisecond time complexity, the best possible time complexity for this question. For this I have just replaced that set to be an integer array and again the same code. So yeah, this question is done for today, but still actually this thing shows how much the data structure is important for a question. Well, thank you everyone, and I will post more videos.